Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today, like I do every month, we do the EV plug-in hybrid sales for the month of October this time, and the results are mixed in, and I'll give you the big numbers. So Tesla, which broke all kinds of records last month and last quarter, scaled back. I don't know how to explain it, delivered less. So all the Tesla numbers in the month of October are less than the month before. The Model 3, for example, sold 17,750 as opposed to 22,250 the month before. The Model S sold 1,350 and the Model X sold 1,225, more than half than what they sold the previous month. So in total for the month of October, Tesla sold 20,325 as opposed to almost 30,000, more than 30,000 in the month before. So less, even significantly less. But I believe that it's like it's a hangover from the previous quarter, which was a rush to get all these numbers up and get to profitability. I predict that in the month of November and December, Tesla not only go back at it, but even will break the previous quarter record, 80 to 100,000. That's my prediction. That's a big task, but it's possible. We shall see. I will report. The other car manufacturers, same thing, same old. I give you some number: Prius, Prime 2001 cars, Volt 1475, Bolt 2075, Clarity, Honda Clarity 1935, and the Nissan Leaf, disappointing again, 1234. However, the overall number for the year, through the first 10 months, January to October, are 266,787. That's almost 70,000 more than all of last year. So that record was shattered, and I believe it will pass 300,000 for the year, which will be 50% more than last year. So that's what you want to see. Having said all of this, take Tesla out, and then the numbers are just minuscule, which to me is explained in one way: commitment and mission. Tesla has one mission and great commitment. Everybody else is doing it because they're doing it, and it's not a commitment, and it's not something that they really want to do. Or, regulation and customer demand, and California regulations, and New York and New Jersey regulations, states like this, and incentives and all that make them do this, but they're really not doing it out of any mission or anything. So, which means it's sad, it's not good, but eventually they will have to do it. At one point, the scale is going to tip so much to the other side that they will have to do it. But we shall see. Thank God for Tesla, and thank God for what they're doing. And I don't care what anybody says, and all the naysayers and the doubters and the distractors and the enemies even of this industry. They're all going to eat their hat. They are eating their hat. I hope they enjoy it for dessert. So what I'm saying is that they're doing it. I know Elon Musk says some crazy stuff, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay with me, as long as everything is done legally and everything is done the way it's supposed to be. And the convoy marches, and hopefully everybody will join in. I'm not here just to wish Tesla success. I'm here to wish Tesla success and everybody's success, because I care about the environment, not on any particular car manufacturer or whatever that is. Okay, so hopefully everybody will join in. Okay, guys, that's it. I'll keep you posted for the final numbers. By the way, these were not final numbers of October. I will keep you posted for the final numbers. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe, support the channel, and share. See you tomorrow, guys.